Turning our attention now to the air quality across the nation. Connecticut is under an air quality alert for the second time this month because of that smoke from wildfires in Canada. The EPA says it expects the air quality to be poor in our state, as well as central and western Massachusetts and Vermont. The CDC says the smoke carries pollutants that can be especially dangerous for kids, the elderly, and people with respiratory diseases. So for more details about all this haze that we are seeing, let's get right over to meteorologist Sam Sampieri. Sam, the question I have this morning, when was the last time we saw something like this?
2002.
Wow, okay.
21 years ago, we had Quebec wildfires, except this one here is a little bit worse and longer duration.
Gotcha.
So we're having several episodes. This is the second episode. Actually, we've had more than 2 days. We had a couple of days in the June 6th week, and now the last couple of days we've had the air quality alert. So there's 2 separate episodes. However, they are consecutive days, and the air quality alert has been extended by the Department of Energy and Environmental Protection. My colleagues in the other group that does the actual air quality forecast and decided to extend it today. And also they added the ozone too, because of recirculation around high pressure, which is off to our south. It's a very complicated process to understand the physical and chemical processes of the atmosphere interacting with the wildfire smoke. It also enhances ozone too. When you get temperatures in the 80s with the sunshine, the ozone levels get up near and exceeding the standard. Right now, the air quality is gradually getting better. These darker reds are unhealthy for everybody, but it was more coverage earlier this morning. Now it's unhealthy sensitive groups, and now we're getting into the moderate levels. As we start to get an onshore flow and we mix up the atmosphere a little bit, we'll mix it out to be unhealthy sensitive groups. For today, on average, unhealthy to unhealthy sensitive groups, now through this evening until 11 o'clock. And I think the air quality will improve. The smoke forecast, notice the blues, it's a little lighter, and we're going to get that return flow and try to clear it out a little bit. It's not going to be perfect because remember, we have these wildfires that are going on and on for weeks at a time, and that recirculation not only brings it out of the northwest flow, but also goes down in the Midwest and comes up around with the upper level low, that big trough we've been talking about all summer long, which has been giving us actually temperatures at and a little bit below normal, but we're changing that pattern ever so gradually. Early morning fog, air quality alert throughout today. Rain chances, it'll be really, tomorrow and especially Monday, no washouts, but the best chance for showers will be then. Maybe an isolated shower on the 4th. A little bit drier in the afternoon, heating up and turning hot and humid middle and end of the week. Nothing too extreme. I'm not thinking record-breaking temperatures, but here's some percentages for some showers tomorrow. So be prepared. I know everybody, especially this year, we're getting beyond this pandemic that's been kind of really holding us down the last few years. People out and about, the 4th of July holiday weekend, it's a long weekend. Visibility's starting to come up a little bit. You see water temperature 71. That's at the surface though. Mix it up. And it's warmer in western Long Island Sound. If you go to the western Long Island Sound beaches, New Haven, that's where you get temperatures near 70. To the east, cooler waters, because you got more open ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. You can see those temperatures in the 60s and near 70. Dew points are up to 68 in New Haven and Chester, 67 Bridgeport. A little bit more on the muggy side. And look at all that humidity down here with the purples, the magenta, tropical moisture, and that's going to be coming for Sunday into Monday. Right now, that high pressure just offshore, get a nice little sea breeze. Again, today, the pick of the weekend, and then the 4th of July should be turning a little bit drier. Got humid air mass moving in. Temperatures today in the mid-80s, a bit cooler along the beaches. It'll be dry with that hazy sunshine, mostly cloudy, not too humid, or I should say it'll be turning more humid. The Hartford Bonanza tomorrow, mostly cloudy, chance for a shower or storm, highs in the 70s. And you see you time this out for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, maybe a shower tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're going to watch for some showers and storms. Here's your Fox 61 7-day forecast, basically showing you the 4th of July. We try to dry it out during the afternoon, and then hot and humid for Wednesday, Thursday, and the Friday. Maybe some storms late next week. Angelo?